All right, everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today we're going to be go ahead and restoring the headlights on my wife's Chrysler Town & Country. Now I'm using a kit that I've never used before, nor have I ever tried to restore headlights before as well. So this is going to be my first hand, no experience, see how this DIY headlight restoration kit actually works. Now this claims it does it in 3 easy steps: surface activator, sand and polish, finish and seal with UV clear coat application. Now it comes with a really basic instructional manual here. You have your step 1, which is your surface applicator. Step 2 is your sand and polish. Step 2, sand and polish continued. And then we've got our step 3, apply the UV clear coat application. So it says surface activator prepares the surface in 2 ways. It removes the yellow staining and softens any remaining original UV clear coat that still may be on the headlight lens. Procedure: spray the surface applicator generously into each headlight lens until they are completely covered. Let this liquid sit on the lens for about 30 seconds. Wash completely with water to remove the loosened corrosion. Do not use all of the surface applicator. You will need it near the end of step 2 as well. All right, so now it says begin sanding with a 400 grit sandpaper. Fully wet the headlight lens and sandpaper with clean water. Sand the surface with the headlight lens using even circular motions and medium pressure. Continue to add water as you perform the sanding process, keeping the headlight sand and sandpaper wet. Sand the entire surface until the headlight lens feels smooth to the touch. Check for completion periodically by rinsing with water and then drying the headlight lens with a paper towel or clean cloth. Do not use the white or blue towels provided with the kit. The 400 grit sandpaper step is done when a dry headlight lens has a uniform light white haziness with no yellow or clear spots. You are ready to move on once noticeable lens is achieved. Here you can see I don't have any yellow spots or anything like that, so I'm ready to go with the next step, which is going to be then step 2, sand and polish. Using the 1000 grit sandpaper and medium pressure, sand all the headlight lenses surface multiple times, adding water as necessary, approximately 5 minutes. As you see here, I kind of work my way from the outside in, and then I use my large part of my hand to do big circular motions. Obviously add water as necessary. You want to keep the headlight wet and the sandpaper wet at all times. Next, using the 2000 grit sandpaper and firm pressure, sand all headlight lenses surfaces multiple times by adding water as necessary for approximately 5 minutes. Now when they say approximately 5 minutes, they mean approximately 5 minutes per headlight. Open the packet labeled clarifying compound. Apply a quarter-size drop into one of the white towels provided, about 1.5 of the contents of the package. You will use the same towel on the second headlight lens, along with the remaining compound. Wet the headlight lenses and run the compound over the entire lens using an even circular motion with firm pressure. Rub all surfaces multiple times for approximately 5 minutes. When complete, rinse the lens thoroughly and completely dry it off. You will see a light white haze to the lens. This is normal. And then once you're done, you go ahead and rinse the lens completely off and then dry it off. Next, you're going to reapply the surface applicator for 30 seconds and then thoroughly rinse with water. This will fully clean the lens in preparation for the coating in the next step that follows. Again, allow this to sit for 30 seconds. Remove the tape if it was applied. Using the other white towel provided, completely dry the headlight lens surface and all the surrounding areas, making sure moisture is removed from all areas. This will ensure optimal bonding of the UV block clear coat that will be done in the next step. I'm just using a towel that I have, a clean towel that I have, because I actually utilize both white towels, one per headlight. So do the entire area. All right, so once your headlights are completely dry, you're gonna go ahead and find the bottle for step 3, marked UV block clear coat, the glove and the blue towel provided in the kit. Put the glove on your application hand. Thoroughly soak the entire folded edge of the blue towel with UV block clear coat until the liquid extends a 1/2 inch from the folded edge. The thicker the coating, the better. Take care to thoroughly soak the entire folded edge of the blue applicator to re-soak often to ensure uniform thickness across the headlight surface. Starting in one of the upper corners of the headlight lens, wipe the moistened edge of the towel across the lens from one side in a smooth motion to the other side. Working from the top down, repeat the same motion, slightly overlapping the previous stroke. Re-moisten the towel edge with the UV block clear coat, often to ensure a thick application. For best results, move in continuous motion across the headlight lens on each stroke, applying once, and do not repeat or reapply to treated areas. If you miss a spot, then quickly reapply to that area. All right, so after you apply it, you're gonna allow 1 hour before even touching your headlights, and then you're gonna allow 4 to 6 hours before either driving the vehicle or exposing it to rain. Hopefully, I didn't read the instructions. Hopefully we don't have any rain. I don't think we do, not until later tonight. But look at these headlights. This is absolutely insane. I'm mind blown. I mean, to even say that that's not an improvement. I was about to buy brand new headlights. Brand new headlights. So I spent like $400 or $300 to $400 on new headlights for this van. And I can tell you, I am beyond happy that I did not do that, because this kit I think was like $30 on Amazon. Maybe it was $40. Let me look for you guys real quick. I was wrong. It was only $21. That's insane. For $21, I got this outcome. Mind blowing. Now, don't get me wrong. It took a lot of elbow grease, and I don't know how long this says it's supposed to take you. I'd say it probably, with filming, took me about an hour. So you could probably do it by yourself within, I don't know, 15 minutes. So it doesn't take long to do it. So I'm excited. This is outstanding. I don't know why I've never done this in the past, because OEM headlights are by far the best headlights you can actually buy for your vehicles. And man, I'm happy. So I will leave the link below for this kit in the description for you guys. I highly suggest doing this. You can do this to any vehicle, any application. It takes out all that yellowness. Obviously, the proof is in the pudding in this vehicle. So that being said, I'm excited. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. Please, we're going to try and get to 10,000 subscribers very soon here. We'll see you guys in the next video.